Hi, my name is Edward Amwakon and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. And in this particular channel, what we do is that we provide videos like what you are about to learn or what you are about to see. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on 5 stylish fonts that every designer must know in the year 2023. This year, if you are a graphic designer, you must get this particular font and it is going to help you in your design project. So please consider by subscribing to this channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, please, you're welcome. So let me walk you through these 5 stylish fonts that will blow your mind. Let's start. Alright guys, so you're welcome. So the first on the list, the stylish font or the decorative font that I will call is Alinea Serif font. This is a stylish font or this is a decorative font. I mean, if you are a designer, you have to know the types of fonts. Basically, we have almost about 4 fonts. Okay, so we have the serif font and sans serif font, we have decorative and then stylish fonts. All right, so this particular font is a decorative font particularly, or I would call it is a stylish. Okay, it makes your design so beautiful. So I'm going to walk you through the site where you can get this particular font. Okay, so let me walk you through my site. So this is www.dafont.co. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link to this site in the video description. All you need to is to click on the link and it will take you to this wonderful site. When you come, head on down here, click on the download and you are good to go. And one thing that I love about this particular site is that it also gives you some related fonts which is associated with that kind of stylish fonts. Okay, so all of these are fonts. If you like them, you can use them in your design project. Okay, so we are talking about Alinea Serif fonts. Now, Alinea Serif fonts, they have a short note about Alinea Serif fonts. You can read it from here. It says that it's a stylish and elegant serif font, contemporary and fresh. It prefers, or it is perfect for any design you wish to create. So if you are a designer, if you are designing a birthday flyer, a church flyer, any creative design that you want to create, you can use this particular font called Alinea Serif font and you will love using it. All right, so that is the first on the list. Let's move on to the second on the list. All right guys, so second on the list is called Classy Vogue. Now the Classy Vogue is also a wonderful stylish font that you will love using it in your design. And this particular font, you can use them in your birthday basically and weddings. Okay, if you are designing, you can use it to write the name of the bride and then the groom. You can also use in when you are designing flyers for Valentine's Day, for instance. You can use fonts like this and you are going to love it. So let me take you to the site where you can download this particular font. It's bfont.com. so I'm going to leave a link in the video description. Click on the link and it will take you to this wonderful site. When you come here, head on down and then download it from here and we are good to go. This particular site also gives you related fonts that you will love it. All right, good. Now let's read something small about the Classy Vogue font. Okay, so we are saying that this font is an elegant serif font that blends traditional influences into contemporary artistic. Okay, and one thing I love about this particular font is that it says that it's a stylish display with an elegant and luxurious style that perfectly matches your branding project and more. So depending on what particular project or what particular creative design that you want to use this particular font for, I mean it will match. Okay, all right, so you will love using it. So you can check it out and it will blow your mind when you hear that. All right, so let's move on to the third font. So the third on the list is called a Cage font. All right, that is the name of the font. As you see, this particular font also, you can also use it for your design projects like church flyer designs and so on and so forth. All right, so let me take you to the site where you can download this particular font. Yes, let's head on to www.dafont.com. You will love to get this particular font. Okay, so it says that, let's take note of this. All right, so it says that we can generate and express ourselves, encouraging our creative work to the point of artistic. So we give a limited. So this is from the site where they generated this particular font, okay, and you will love it. Once you get on to this site, all what you have to do is to come to this site and then download it for free. So once you get them, just try to explore. You can use it for your church flyer design, birthday flyer designs, and I mean, just recently I started exploring using this particular font and I love it, and you will love it. So I wish that I want to share with you. Okay, so let's head on to the fourth font, and you will also love that one too. Let's get the fourth font on the list is called Ginger font. This particular font is amazing. I mean, I love this particular font. Ginger font, you can also use it to write your flyers like birthday and so on and so forth. The reason why I keep on saying birthday is that when you are designing a birthday flyers, or you are designing a wedding invitation flyers, or even church flyers, most of the time we want to blend the fonts, okay, using a serif font and then somehow a decorative font, and you will love them combining this ginger font to that of a bold or maybe a sans serif font. You will also love it. So that is why I keep on mentioning of birthday. All right, so let me give you to the site, and this is the site, okay, thefont.org. okay, so once I'm going to give you all the site, okay, so the link. So once you click on the link, it will take you to this amazing site, and then you are good to go. All you need to do is to come down here, okay. All these are related fonts that you will love using them, okay. So you just come to down here. Yes, so once you click on this download here, you are good to go. All right, very good. So you will love it as well. Now let's move on to the last font, which is called Agent. And this particular font, I mean, you could see that all the fonts are somehow related, okay. You could see that they are somehow related, and they are related. When I say they are related, they look similar. And we see this particular font, so you also love it by using it for your wedding invitation and all that. Recently I used it for a wedding invitation and it looks so amazing on it. All right, so let me take you to the site. So I downloaded it from this particular site, that is bfont.com. okay, so once you get on here, you can read more about this particular font. It says unique and elegant font for brand and logo design. So if you are somebody who is into logo design, you can use this particular font for it, and it is an elegant and classy serif typeface, okay, and you will love it. To make it look more unique, here we prepare some words that you made. So that is it. You can read more about that. If you want to download, click here to download for free. You are not supposed to pay anything, and it gives you some related font as well. So if you are a graphic designer, if you are somebody who is into logo designing and you want to download fonts, you are confused or where to download fonts, this channel is for you. And please, I did a video on how to download bold fonts. Yes, check this thumbnail out as you see on your screen. Bold font, it is in the description. The video will be in the description. I will leave a link in the video description. Just click on the link and watch it, how to download 5 bold fonts for your design project. All right, so let me take you through all the fonts that we have checked. So the first one that we made mention of, Alinea. Okay, we made mention of Alinea font, is very good for your projects. The second one is the Classy Vogue. The third one is the Cage. The fourth one is the Ginger, and then the last one is the Agent, okay, or Against. I don't know how they pronounce it. Say modern vintage beauty font. Yes, very beautiful and amazing. Don't forget to like this video, to comment. Let me hear your comments, and then please subscribe to push this channel out there. All right, so let me see you in the next video. Bye.